Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Play Store not updating apps. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, check that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off to refresh the connection. Open Settings and tap Apps or App Management to see the full app list. Find Google Play Store and tap it to open App Info. Tap Force Stop to fully close the Play Store. Tap Storage and Cache to open the storage options. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary data safely. Tap Clear Storage or Clear Data to reset the Play Store settings. Go back to the app list and open Google Play Services. Tap Force Stop and then open Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache for Google Play Services as well. Open the app list again and find Download Manager or Downloads. Make sure Download Manager is enabled, because updates cannot download without it. Restart your phone to apply the changes cleanly. After reboot, open the Google Play Store and wait 1 minute for it to load properly. Tap your profile icon and open Settings inside the Play Store. Go to Network Preferences and set App Download Preference to over any network if needed. Go to About and tap Update Play Store to install the latest Play Store version. Now try updating one app to test if downloads start normally. If it still fails, open Settings and go to Date and Time. Enable Automatic Date and Time and Automatic Time Zone to avoid server sync problems. Go to Settings and open Accounts or Passwords and Accounts. Select your Google account and tap Remove Account. Then Confirm. Restart the phone again to refresh account services. Go back to Accounts and tap Add Account. Then sign in with the same Google account. Open the Play Store and accept any prompts for permissions or terms. Try updating apps again and keep the screen on until the first update starts. If storage is low, delete unused files or apps, because updates need free space to install. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.